Good morning, it's Nola. I have another kit here. This one is predominantly gold. It's got some green and some deep burgundy in it as well. So I'm just going to take it apart and then show you what I've put together. And here we go. We're starting out with this gorgeous piece. This is green and gold, and then these are red and green, and then this gold and burgundy along the edges. It's beautiful, absolutely gorgeous. And then we have this one. This is a new one. This has some nice greens in it, a little bit of color on the end, but you can save that for something else. Then we have this gorgeous piece of gold. I just found this morning. So pretty. Then we have a little piece of green. And I think this is my last piece of this one. Lots of sparkle on this green one. Then I have this lovely piece of gold with some red. And these red pieces are fuzzy. So, yeah, it's kind of neat. Well, there's that one. And then this one. Lots of sparkle in this one. Then I have this one. Just a piece of gold. A little piece of green with the little flower on it. A gold medallion with pearls. Another gold medallion, a large one, sent to me by my dear friend Safia. And then this piece, this is stunning. I just absolutely love these. I forget what it's called. I can't remember, but the colors in it. It's a beautiful green in the back and then red and clear sparkly stones and lots of gold. It's beautiful. We have another piece of green satin. There's some red and green. Here's some burgundy and gold. And I don't know which side I like better. Maybe this side. There's a little piece of gold sparkle, because everybody needs sparkle. There's some gold for me to use on the bag. There's a little piece of burgundy. And I also put in these earrings. They are green and burgundy and gold. So I just thought they were perfect with that. So this one again, all the kits will be $20. So this one will be $20. And if you're interested, please leave your name right away because they go quickly. So thanks for watching, and I hope to get back with some more things on here soon. Talk to you later. Bye now.